Ever wondered why lightning strikes the same place repeatedly? Welcome to Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela, the lightning capital of Earth. Here, storms rage 300 nights a year with 28 strikes per minute. That's 1.6 million strikes annually in one spot. Scientists say it's the perfect storm of geography. Warm lake water, mountains, and humid air supercharge the sky. This is Catatumbo Lightning, a natural lighthouse for ancient sailors. Locals claim the thunder is constant, making the lightning silent. In 2010, it vanished for weeks, then returned stronger. Is it nature's fury or something more mysterious? Either way, it's the angriest sky on Earth.